Hello students, today we start chapter 8 factors and factorization of algebraic expression. First you know what is a factors. A number x is a factor of another number y when y is completely divisible by x. For example, 3 is a factor of 6 because 6 is divisible by 3. किसी नंबर के एक से ज़्यादा भी फैक्टर हो सकते हैं, जैसे फैक्टर्स ऑफ 6 आर 1, 2, 3 and 6. 6, 1, 2, 3 और 6 सभी से डिविजिबल है, इसलिए ये सभी 6 के फैक्टर्स है. नाउ फैक्टर्स ऑफ algebraic expression. Similarly, an algebraic expression is a factor of another algebraic expression when another algebraic expression completely divisible by first expression. For better understanding, we take a question. Exercise 8.1, question number 1. Find out all the factors for the given algebraic expression. First, 5t square. All factors of 5 are 1 and 5. All factors of t square are 1, t and t square. So, all factors of 5t square are, multiply all this to 1 and 5. 1 into 5 is 5, t is to 1 is t, t multiplied by 5 is 5t, t square multiplied by 1 is t square, and last 5 into t square is 5t square. All factors of 14 are, 14 is divisible by 1, 2, 7 and 14. All factors of L square m. इसके लिए थोड़ा रफ वर्क करते हैं. L square, factors of L square, 1 L and L square, and factor of m is 1 and m. Multiply all these. 1 into 1, 1, 1 into L, L square, and m into 1 m into L ml, and m into L square ml square. So all factors of 14 L square m are 1, 2, 7, 14, L, 2L, 7L and 14L, comma L square, 2L square, 7L square, 14L square, M, 2M, 7M, 14M, ML, 2ML, 7ML, 14ML, ML square, 2ML square, 7ML square and 14ML square. Question number 2. Write down all the factors for the given algebraic expressions and find out their HCF, highest common factor. We solve third question. 6a square, 8ab. All factors of 6a square are factor of 6, 1, 2, 3 and 6. Factors of a square, 1a square. Multiply all these, 1, 2, 3, 6a, 2a, 3a, 6a, a square, 2a square, 3a square and 6a square. All factors of 8ab are 1, 2, 4, 8, a, 2a, 4a, 8a, b, 2b, 4b, 8b, ab, 2ab, 4ab and 8ab. Common factors of 6a square and 8ab. Common factors, that means same factors. These two are same factors. A are same factors. 2a, these are same factors, common factors, and highest common factor is 2a. So HCF, highest common factor is 2a. HCF फाइंड करने के लिए हम another method भी यूज कर सकते हैं. To find HCF. HCF of 6 and 8. ऐसा ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर जो 6 और 8 दोनों को कंप्लीटली डिवाइड कर दें। ऐसा नंबर है 2. 2 डिवाइड 6 and 8 बोथ कंप्लीटली। HCF ऑफ a square and a, लोएस्ट पावर वाले वेरिएबल्स को हम लोग इसमें नोट करेंगे। a, b सिर्फ सेकेंड एक्सप्रेशन में है इसलिए b का HCF नहीं निकालेंगे। सो HCF ऑफ 6a square and 8ab is equal to 2a. Question 3. Find out the highest common factor for the following. Fifth question. 22 p square q square r 33 p q square r square. HCF of 22 and 33. 11 is the biggest number which divides 22 and 33 completely. So HCF of 22 and 33 is 11. HCF of p square and p. Lowest power is 1, so p is the HCF. HCF of q square and q square is q square. HCF of r and r square is r. So HCF of 22 p square q square r and 33 p q square r square is 11 p q square r. Thanks for watching my video.